You guys, this package just arrived. Now, let's see what is inside. Woo. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got.
Oh,
So wow,
cute.
this is good. New bed sheets and duvet cover. Are you sure this is the size? I love the combination of black and golden details and gray. You can also use it like this. It's like Daniel's bed spread and duvet cover. I love this color and I have it in my bedroom as well. Duvet and bed sheet. I love this color. Oh my word. It matches with my wardrobe and it matches with the boys' bed. It's so good. I chose the same color for the boys except Favors. Favors is you guys, it's spring, so we are preparing for spring bedspread and yeah. Oh, the color, exactly what we saw, right? The color is exactly, it's so calm and oh my word, I love the color. I love it. This is Favors. The color is good. Honestly, this looks small. I hope it fits. Let me not open everything. Maybe you guys should go and try it. But I believe the bed sheets is perfect, isn't it? Oh my word, I love the bed sheets. I love the bed sheets. 3 sets. Flat, fitted, and pillowcases. Yeah, 2 pillowcases each, fitted and flat. So, as I'm doubting that this thing might not fit, so I'm not going to open everything. Let me call them and ask them to go and try it. Daniel! So, what I will do now is allow them to try it. I'm not going to open all. So after trying, I'm going to show you the final look.